When I was a kid, I always liked playing with toys, especially little cars. And I would get baking soda, kind of lay the baking soda out like snow. I was always loved snow, always loved outdoors, and just kind of trace little patterns through it, kind of mirroring my community and the routes that I took to get to school or get to the store or something. I guess at the time I didn't realize it, but I was making maps. It was geography. It was me figuring out how to get places, and that's just kind of stuck with me ever since. I grew up in the Poconos. Just kind of, I guess my relationship with nature was fostered by me living there and really kind of growing up around. We could go out, we'd ride bikes, we'd go hiking, we'd do stuff like that. Going through high school, I had always been kind of on the technical side of things, but also like science and nature, and I knew there was a connection, but I don't think it really came together until I got here to Temple. College of Liberal Arts has allowed me to explore things in different ways. I came in as a biology major, and I just kind of switched it all up because I knew that's not what I really wanted to do. I can see myself doing this type of work a long time, for the rest of my life, and I guess it really has to do with the fact that I've been doing it in some way, shape, or form since I was a kid. I didn't know it at the time, but it really was geography, location, figuring out where I was. I just like to play. I really enjoy just helping people, and I think that certainly is one of my biggest motivators. I know that the work that I can do, if that can have that change, have that impact that I want it to, make somebody else's day better, make somebody else's life better, then that's really what keeps me going. I think if you can really stick with your passions, that's certainly a good way forward. And I think if you can keep your focus on being positive and making that positive change, then that's really, I think, what's going to change the world.